Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 4, unit 2, summary response. This week we're going to talk about academic writing and launch into our first draft of the summary response paper. Terminology and concepts we're going to cover this week are unity, coherence, transitions, and rhetorical strategies. You'll actively read and watch another graduation speech, this one by Steve Jobs, founder of Apple. We'll also read Emotional Scenarios in the Writing Process by Reed Larson. This week, day by day, what we're going to do is on Monday, we'll talk about academic writing and summary response essays. We'll cover some terminology, coherence, unity, and rhetorical strategies. And I'll ask you to watch and actively read Steve Jobs' Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish. Tuesday for our live class, we'll have a discussion about Steve Jobs in reference to J.K. Rowling and David Foster Wallace. And then we'll talk a little bit about using transitions. I'll ask you to complete Journal 4 Tuesday for the assignment. That'll be 500 words. You have all of the readings that you've done so far that you haven't written about in your journals to choose from to write your summary on. On Wednesday, we'll focus on response. You'll look at a model summary response essay. I'll ask you to complete a pre-writing worksheet for the summary response, which will help you to construct a formal summary. Thursday, in class, we'll do a discussion on your summary response topics. And then we'll do a summary response workshop. And the first draft of the summary response will be due midnight that night. Friday, we'll review week 4. You'll have a quiz on the terminology that we've had so far. And I'll ask you to actively read Larson, Emotional Scenarios in the Writing Process. This week is an important week to get caught up in. I've actually front-loaded a lot of the reading for the course so that this week we've only got two readings. One of them's relatively short, one of them's a little bit longer, but hopefully that will give you like a little bit of a breather from the reading so that you can really focus on getting caught up on the writing if you've fallen behind. A few of you still have not turned in the second draft of the summary response paper. A couple of you haven't given me a first draft yet, and that's really important to get in. As usual, you want to focus on journals and quizzes. Now it's no longer possible to turn in the assignments for week 1, week 2, but that's only the daily assignments. So you can do the larger ones, the quizzes, and the journals for week 1 and week 2. I will contact you tomorrow if I think that you're having trouble getting work done. If you're missing a paper, check your email, please, and respond because I want to try to get you caught up and up to date. And as usual, anybody, whether you're up to date or not, feel free to email me. And if you need to, we can meet on Teams, and I can help you with whatever you need help with. Use DCAS too. I'd really like to see you guys use DCAS this week with the reading that you plan to summarize in your formal summary response. I think this is a really good chance for you guys to lock in your active reading for summarizing skills. So anyway, have a great week, and I'll see you on Tuesday, and email me if you have any questions.